What year is the tractor?
A 1959 John Deere 630.
And where'd you get it from?
This was my dad's tractor. He bought it when I was young, brand new. Came from Crowd Implement, which was about 2 blocks from here where the actual implement dealership was.
What'd you primarily pull with it, or what did you use it for?
Everything he had on the farm we pulled behind it. One tractor did everything.
You
Plowing, to disking, to cultivating, to manure spreader, to everything, snow plow.
What did you have any other tractor at the time, or this was it?
There was a when we had this tractor, we had no other one.
Okay.
It was the only tractor. Then eventually had a John Deere 8 to supplement this one.
Gotcha. What's with the side view mirror? How did you make that?
I made that out of an old truck RV mirror so we could see what's behind. I put it on the right side because you can't climb up on that side anyway with the clutch and the throttle there.
Okay. And how many hours does it have, or do you think it has?
It's got about 5,700 on this hour meter, and the one previous to that had probably 15,000 hours on.
15,000 on the...
Yeah, this is 5,000. 5,000, yeah.
So it probably had 20,000 hours?
20,000 hours on it.
Okay. Do you want to start it up quick?
Yeah, we'll see how it runs.
Oh, you do have a red light.
That's the original light from when it was built too.
Okay. How low can you run it without it stalling?
It'll idle about 350 to 400 RPM. Right now it's about 350 RPM.
Okay.
It's a lot quieter at that speed.
Yeah, it can idle lower than that, can it?
And yeah, it doesn't charge the battery much then.
Oh, gotcha.
It's about 300 RPM.